Pikashow not working. Today's video I'm going to guide you on how to fix it. It's your first time if you coming across this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is you need to turn on your airplane mode. Here is your airplane mode on your device. Then turn it off and go ahead and turn on your data. And make sure your data, you have enough data on your device. If better still, you can still try a Wi-Fi if the data mode is not actually working. You can still go ahead and tap and hold on the app and click on app info. Then here you are going to click on storage and cache and clear the app cache. You can still go ahead and clear the app storage, and after doing that you gotta go ahead and force stop the app. Here is for stop. You can go ahead and force stop the app. Then go to your Play Store. If you're using an Android, you can still go to your Apple Store and search for Pikashow and update the app. If it is not up to date, update the app. Then after doing that, you can go ahead and restart your device. I'm sure it's going to fix the problem. We have come to the end of the video. If you found us the helpful, please do to subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section here as you find anything difficult on this video. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.